Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to launch a virtual device from the AVD manager of Android Studio without entering to Android Studio. So actually what we're gonna do is creating this shortcut on our desktop with the cute icon. We're gonna click on it, wait a little bit, and then a virtual device will show up. I'm gonna just shrink it to a regular size. And voila. So first thing you're gonna need is this zip file that I'm gonna put in the description, which contains the comments that we're gonna need and a cute icon. And if you can't download this file for a reason or another, it's okay, it's not a problem. You just have to write the comments yourself, and you have to pause the video whenever you see a comment. So the first thing you do is to look for the SDK path on your computer. In my case it's in the app data folder, but if you don't know, it's not a problem. You're gonna open Android Studio one more time. I'm gonna click on File, Settings, and under appearance and behavior, system settings, you have the Android SDK. You gonna click on it and then copy this path, which is the path of the SDK on your computer. Open a blank folder and pass the path over here. Go into emulator and keep this folder open. This is where we're gonna do the magic. On Windows, we're gonna create a batch file that will open the concerned device, a device that we will choose to be opened, and we're gonna create a shortcut on the desktop with a cute icon that will automatically open the device that we have chosen. On Linux, you're gonna create a shell file or a Python file, and if you want me to create another video to show how you can do this on Linux, you're gonna just have to leave a comment. So right here you're gonna hold shift, right click, and click on open PowerShell window here. I already have done that. I'm not going to open two comments over here, two terminals. So the first command we're gonna type is emulator.exe dash list dash avds. So as you can see, in my case I have two virtual devices. If you have nothing here, that means that you haven't installed any device on the AVD manager yet. So you're gonna open Android Studio one more time, click on the AVD manager, and then you should have nothing here. I'm gonna click on create virtual machine, choose a category, a phone, and click next. Choose a system image and then click next until finish. I'm not going to do that because the system image is a little bit heavy. It needs a lot of storage, and I don't have much on this computer, so you're gonna do that alone. And the next step is to write this command, emulator.exe dash avd double quotes, and then you're gonna copy the concerned device, the device that you want to create a shortcut of, and then add a double quote at the end, hit enter, wait a little bit, and the device will show up. Now we're gonna create a program that do that for us. So back to the emulator folder, right click, new, text document, and we're gonna name it after the device. We're gonna open the concerned device, pixel-3a. Hit enter again, and you're gonna copy the last comment that you write over here, save it and close the file. And then we're gonna change the extension of the file from .txt to .bat. If the extension is not visible, you have to click on view, options, view again, and uncheck the hide extension for known file types, and then click apply and OK. After changing the extension, you're gonna click on it, and this will open a terminal, and the virtual device will show up. If this doesn't happen, that means you have written the comment wrongly. Be careful. Now we're gonna create a shortcut on the desktop. I'm gonna right click on the program that we have created, then send to desktop, create shortcuts. Now this shortcut, it's okay, it's working, but I think it's a little bit ugly, so we gonna create an icon for it. I'm gonna right click on it, properties, change icon, and then we're gonna click on browse and go to the stuff folder, and then choose the cute icon that I have put there. Open, OK, apply, then OK. And now we have our virtual device here. Gonna click on it, and voila, the device is working, and you can install apps on it. Thank you very much for listening. See you in another video. Psst, don't forget to like and subscribe.